Imagine waking up one morning, checking your bank account, and seeing a balance of 10 crore rupees. No more worrying about bills, no more sacrificing dreams because of money. Sounds impossible? It's not. The rich have a system, a set of rules that 99% of people ignore. They don't rely on luck, a high-paying job, or even the lottery. They follow proven money principles that make wealth almost inevitable. But here's the harsh truth. Most people will never be rich, not because they can't, but because they're trapped in financial lies society tells them. Work hard, save money, and you'll be rich. Wrong. If that were true, your teachers, your hardworking parents, and every office worker would be millionaires. They're not, because the system is designed to keep you just above broke. Now, what if I told you that you can break out of this trap? There are 7 powerful money rules that can turn even an average person into a millionaire. These are not just theories. The world's wealthiest people, Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, even self-made billionaires from India, use these rules every day. And no, I'm not talking about working harder or cutting down on coffee. I'm talking about rewiring your brain for wealth, using money in ways schools never taught you, and applying the same tactics the ultra-rich use. If you're ready to break free from financial slavery and make 1 crore rupees or more in 2025, then keep watching. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the 7 unbreakable money rules that could change your life forever. But first, ask yourself, are you ready to think differently? If yes, let's dive in. Now that you know the reality, that wealth is built on rules, not luck, let's break down the 7 money rules that can help you make 1 crore rupees or more in 2025. These are not just random tips. These are the exact principles used by millionaires and billionaires to grow their wealth. Rule number 1, money is a game. Learn the rules. Most people treat money like a mystery, but in reality, it's a game. And like any game, there are winners and losers. The winners, they know the rules. The losers, they follow myths and emotions. For example, if you think saving money in a bank will make you rich, you've already lost the game. Why? Because inflation eats away at your savings every year. Instead, the rich invest money into assets, stocks, businesses, real estate, that grow in value. So, your first step to making 1 crore rupees, stop thinking like a saver and start thinking like an investor. Rule number 2, stop trading time for money. If your income depends on how many hours you work, you'll never be truly rich. Why? Because time is limited. The wealthy don't earn money by working more hours. They create systems that generate money even while they sleep. Think about it. Elon Musk doesn't make billions by working 24/7. His businesses make money for him. You need to shift from being a worker to being a builder. Start a business, invest in assets, or create digital products. Make money work for you, not the other way around. Rule number 3, the 3 income streams of the rich. Most people have 1 income stream, a job. The rich have at least 3. 1, active income. This is money from work, job, freelancing, etc. 2, passive income. Money that keeps coming even if you stop working. Stocks, real estate, royalties. 3, scalable income. Income that grows exponentially. Business investments. If you're relying only on active income, you're at risk. The moment you stop working, your income stops. But if you have multiple streams, money never stops flowing. Your goal? Build at least 2 more income streams in 2025. Rule number 4, the power of high income skills. Not all skills are equal. Some skills make you 20,000 rupees a month. Others make you 20 lakh rupees a month. High income skills are abilities that people will pay a lot for. Some examples: copywriting, the ability to write words that sell; sales and persuasion, the ability to convince people; investing, the skill of growing money; tech skills, AI, coding, automation. If you want to make 1 crore rupees, stop wasting time on low-value skills. Master 1 high-income skill, and you'll never be broke again. Rule number 5, the 10x money rule. Most people think small. They aim for a 10% salary increase instead of asking, how can I 10x my income? Wealthy people don't play small. If they want 1 crore rupees, they don't think about saving 10,000 rupees a month. They think about creating 10 lakh rupees a month. Ask yourself, how can I increase my income 10 times instead of just 10%? How can I solve bigger problems to make bigger money? How can I provide more value to people? The bigger the value you provide, the more money you make. Rule number 6, use other people's money, OPM, to get rich. Rich people don't use only their own money. They use other people's money, OPM. Example, if you start a business, investors fund it. If you buy real estate, banks lend you money. If you trade stocks, you use leverage. The poor think, I don't have money, so I can't invest. The rich think, whose money can I use to invest? The lesson? Learn how to use OPM to grow faster. Rule number 7, control your emotions about money. Fear, greed, and doubt are what keep people poor. The wealthy don't panic when the stock market crashes. They buy more because they know it's an opportunity. The poor spend emotionally, buying things they don't need. The rich invest logically, buying things that make them richer. Ask yourself, do I control money or does money control me? Am I making financial decisions out of fear or out of logic? The day you master your mindset about money, you'll start attracting wealth instead of chasing it. The Millionaire Challenge. Take action now. Now that you know these 7 money rules, the question is, will you take action? 99% of people will watch this and do nothing. They'll keep working the same job, spending the same way, and staying in the same financial struggle. But the 1%, they will apply these rules and change their life. Which one are you? If you're serious about making 1 crore rupees in 2025, take these 3 steps today. 1. Start building a second income stream. 2. Learn one high-income skill and monetize it. 3. Stop trading time for money. Invest in assets. The choice is yours. Stay the same, or become the person who makes 1 crore rupees a reality. Let me know in the comments. Which rule are you going to apply first? So, now you know the 7 money rules that the rich follow, and the poor ignore. The real question is, what will you do with this knowledge? Most people will finish this video, get inspired for a few minutes, and then go back to scrolling social media, wasting time and making excuses. But winners? They take action. Let's be real. Making 1 crore rupees in 2025 isn't a dream, it's a decision. Will you build multiple income streams or keep depending on one job? Will you master a high-income skill or keep working for pennies? Will you invest like the rich or save like the poor? Because here's the harsh truth. If you don't change your mindset about money, 2025 will look exactly like 2024, and another year will be wasted. But if you start applying even one of these rules today, you're already ahead of 99% of people. Success is about momentum. The small steps you take today will lead to massive results in the next 12 months. So, tell me in the comments, which money rule are you going to apply first? Let's see how many future millionaires are watching this video right now. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I'll be sharing more powerful strategies to help you break free from financial slavery. Your journey to 1 crore rupees starts now.